Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
So in this question is we balance the net ionic equation of the following reaction in acidic, basic and neutral medium. So for part A of the reaction is MnO4 minus aqueous will react with C2O4 2 minus aqueous. So this is the reaction take place in the acidic medium. So I am using H plus aqueous. So here I write acidic, and the product formed for this reaction is Mn2 plus aqueous plus CO2, that in gas form, plus H2O liquid. Now when we balance the equation, so here we get 2 MnO4 negative, and here we get 2 Mn2 positive, and then here we get 5 C2O4, and then here we get 10 CO2, and then balance the hydrogen. So here 16 H plus, and here at 8 H2O. So this is the balanced net ionic equation in the acidic medium. Now part B of the question is when dichromate ion Cr2O72 negative in aqueous medium react with Ti3 positive aqueous in the acidic medium, that means in the presence of H plus acidic, so it will form 2 Cr3 plus aqueous plus TiO2 2 positive plus H2O. So when we balance the equation now, so when we balance the this equation, so we get here, this is aqueous, so we get here 2 Cr3 plus, and this is titanium is here 2 3i 2 Ti3 plus, and this is twice, and then balance the hydrogen, so here 6H plus, and here we get 3H2O. So this is the net balanced ionic equation in the acidic medium. Now come to the reaction in the basic medium, that is part C of the question is. So part C, that is MnO4 negative aqueous react with SO3 2 minus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous. So the product formed from this reaction is MnO4 2 minus aqueous plus SO4 2 minus SO4 2 minus aqueous plus H2O liquid. So when we balance, we get here 2 MnO4 negative, and this is 2 MnO4 2 negative, and then this is 2 OH minus, and then so this is the balanced equation. So this equation is in basic medium because here OH minus is used. Okay, so this is the balanced equation. Now balanced net ion equation. Part D of the question is FeOH twice solid with oxygen gas plus H2O liquid. Now, so this reaction we have to balance in the neutral medium like H2O. So here we will not use H plus or OH minus. So the product formed from this reaction is FeOH. Right. So when we balance, so here we get 4, and here we get 4, and here we get 2H2O. So these are the net balanced net ionic equation in the acidic, basic and neutral medium. So we can easily see that charge as well as see, this is the, we can see in the is in the equation 1. See here 2 manganese atom are present, here again 2 manganese. So total left hand side oxygen is 4 into 2 8, and 5 into 4 20. So 28 oxygen on the left hand side, and here right hand side, see in the right hand side 10 into 2 20 plus 8 28 oxygen on the right hand side. Now 16 hydrogen on left hand side and 16 hydrogen on right hand side. Now when we check the charge, we check the charge at the end of the equation. So here 2 negative and 5 into 2 negative, so total 12 negative and 16 positive. So that means 4 positive charge on the left hand side, and here again 4 positive charge on the right hand side of the equation. And similar way we balance the charge on this case also. So this is the reaction in acidic medium, this is the reaction in basic medium in the similar way, and this is the reaction take place in the neutral medium. So these are the product form from the these reactions.